Hello, it's Tanya. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. What I have for you is a small paper crafting haul, and some of the items I don't have. I have all of them but one set. I watched Tim Holtz live on Saturday, and I ordered his, I think they're called Distress Spritz. I ordered, I think, 4 of them. So I don't have them in yet, but I think we'll have a lot of fun starting to use that. Okay, so I picked up this Stamperia Brocante Antiques scrapbook paper. I'm obsessed. I'll link everything that I can find in the description box below. I did pick this up off of Simon Says Stamp, okay? If I can find it on Amazon, I'll link it. But I loved this when I saw it. I thought, how beautiful is that? Look at that. Oh, it just is very vintage. I love it. Okay. Look at the little shop, the antique store, the teddy bears. Oh, look at this. I am obsessed. The dress form. Look at all this writing. And then in here, we have some different tags that you could cut out, or like cards, or you could even turn them into journaling cards. Love Stamperia paper. I've said that so many times. This is the 12 by 12. Look at that. I love every inch of this. Looks like somebody's ordered something here. The Grand Hotel. And then this looks like it's like a seamstress. Look at that. How beautiful. Antiques. Then look at the back of that. I love it. Look at that. So beautiful. Then look here. The dresser with the little like notes or cards or letters sticking up. That lamp is to die for. Look at the books, the stamps, the chandelier. Ugh, total goodness. You can make a beautiful journal out of this. Look at all this. Once again, all the different lamps and lights and like an ad. And then our numbers. I love numbers, and a stamp. And then look at this with this old teacup and that crackle look. Oh, and those flowers. Love it. And then look right here. All the little teacups. The bird cage, the flowers. I just love it. The advertisement. Then look at this. I love it. Even a bird and the plates. That is beautiful. Then right here, look at this. Like the different pieces of broken china even. The spoons, advertisements. Look at that. It's gorgeous. And look at this. Look at this teddy bear. Oh, it's gorgeous. It says Brocante Antiques. All the little teddy bears. Look at this page. Every page is gorgeous. Toyland teddy bears. Look at that. Ugh, I love it. The hat boxes. Then look at this, the camera, like a vintage camera with some photos and all that writing. And that looks like you could almost cut that out and put something in it if you wanted. Same for that. Look at all this very vintage. This is a grungy vintage paper pad, I think. But look at all these old advertisements. Look at these clocks, these little watches. I love it. Watch and clock market. Then once again, more old vintage style advertisements. And then look at these great journaling cards. I love it. Look at all that. Ugh, it's gorgeous. And then these are the backs of those cards. You can see. And then look at these tags. I love how they already have the shapes cut out and they're different. I love them. And look at this, even stitching right here and here. And there even some of these little tags have stitching on them. Great ephemera. And then on the back of these, you have this. I love that. And then look at all these that you can fussy cut out. That is gorgeous. I love it. Okay, so that's the 12 by 12. Then I picked up the 8 by 8 backgrounds of brocante, because sometimes you just need a lot of these little backgrounds. Look at this. So beautiful. More vintage ads. Look at this. Is that not gorgeous? And I love that stitching. This is beautiful vintage paper. Look at that. The crackling, the writing. I love it. This has little writing in there. So beautiful. Okay. Then I went ahead and picked up the 8 by 8. I believe this, yeah, the 8 by 8 of brocante. It's just like the taller one, except it's just like the 12 by 12, except it's just smaller. But this is great because my pages, this is usually perfect for the book. But just look at all that, just like I showed you earlier. Just smaller. Love it. Okay, and you get more fussy cuts. Okay. Then I decided to get the wooden shapes for brocante, and this is wooden shapes. They're actually, you can see, and I thought, look at that. That would be beautiful, antique. Ugh, look at that. Great ephemera for your junk journal, tags, anything. Pick that up. Then I got the die cuts for brocante. I couldn't help myself. I went ahead and picked them up. Okay, let's take a look at these and see what all is in here. Oh, look at this. Look, little rosebuds. This even has a hole already through it. Old objects with new life. Look at this. A pocket watch with the top pulled down. The bear. Oh my gosh, I have so much. I don't know. I have to use it somehow. Look at this. The plates. The little postcards. Words. Stamps. Pictures. More lamps. Flowers. A camera. Dishes. Preserving traditions through time. I mean, there's so much. It will be so hard to decide what I want to do. Oh my gosh, look at this. Then the storefront. Another clock. More writing. Dishes. These little scissors. Ugh. And little flowers. I'm just going to move that over there. Then I bought the adhesive paper cutout ephemeras to go with this. I just went crazy. This stuff is so pretty. But I won't take all these out, but look at this. Look at that. And it's adhesive. It's paper. It's like stickers. They're not real thick. Look at the dress form. Look at that. So pretty. And naturally, we have the bear. We have tons of lamps. We have cups. Everything like that. But I thought this would just really be cute. These are thicker. The die like cuts. And these are thinner and self-adhesive. Okay. Then when I was on there, I picked up 2 of these 8 by 8s of Stamperia's Secret Diary. Okay. I couldn't help myself. And look at this, how beautiful. And you know, to be honest, you could use some of the brocante with this, the Secret Diary. But isn't that beautiful? The flowers and the books and the girl. Ah, look at that texture. That really looks like gesso or paint smeared. And the tickets. Oh, I love it. And her cat. I just think this is beautiful. Then this. Blessed who loves nature, for they shall never be lonely. And look at the spiral in that book. Looks so realistic. This looks like cardboard with paint over it. Gorgeous. Like I said, I picked up 2 of the 8x8, so I won't open the other one. But that is beautiful. Look at the paper clip. Paintbrushes, birds. Then these little, if you want to cut the words out. Then look at all these little, like, you can use journaling cards. You could turn them into tags, anything. Look at that. It looks like a piece of tape. The tickets. Oh, I love it. And that's the back. And here's some more journaling cards. This is just gorgeous. And look, looks like spiral bound. And then this is some ephemera that you can cut out. Like I said, I have 2 of these. So if you enjoyed this little paper crafting haul with all the goodies that I found, don't forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay crafty.